Welcome back, everyone. You're listening to AI with Shaily. I'm Shailendra Kumar, your guide through the latest in artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a fascinating breakthrough that's shaking up how large language models, LLMs for short, tackle those brain teasing complex questions we often throw at them. Imagine you're at a crossroads trying to solve a tough puzzle. Would you spend some extra time exploring different paths or just pick the first answer that pops up? Traditionally, LLMs have been stuck in the latter mode, giving each question the same amount of computational effort, whether it's a simple "what's the weather" or a dense science problem. That's like reading every book the same way. No extra attention for the tricky chapters. Now, the hot new technique making waves on social media is called inference-time scaling. This clever approach lets models dynamically allocate their computational horsepower, giving harder questions more time and effort while breezing through the easier ones. It's like having a smart tutor who knows when to slow down and when to sprint. Here's how it works. 1. The model generates multiple candidate answers or reasoning paths all at once. 2. Then a secondary process reward model or PRM scores these candidates. 3. The best performing paths get even more computational focus, refining the thinking until the model confidently picks the top answer. Think of it as a friendly debate inside the AI's brain, weighing options while keeping an eye on uncertainty. Speaking of uncertainty, a big part of this innovation tackles overconfidence, a classic AI hiccup. Researchers have developed better calibration methods for the PRM to prevent the model from prematurely cutting off its reasoning just because it feels overly sure. This balances efficiency with reliability, ensuring smarter answers without wasted effort. From my own experience building and fine tuning AI models, this dynamic budgeting feels like giving our digital assistants a bit of wisdom, not rushing them, but not letting them overthink forever either. It's a step closer to how humans naturally tackle problems, spending more time when the stakes are high and moving quickly when not. And on a related front, OpenAI has been pushing the envelope on model honesty, encouraging AIs to confess when they're uncertain or hitting their limits. This transparency builds trust and complements inference time scaling by improving answer reliability on challenging queries. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip. When interacting with AI tools, ask follow up questions if the answer seems uncertain. Many models now are designed to handle that iterative reasoning process just like inference time scaling does internally. Your curiosity can spark deeper, more accurate insights. So, what do you think? Is this the moment AI starts thinking a bit more like us, carefully weighing options instead of rushing? I'd love to hear your thoughts. To close, I'll leave you with a quote from renowned computer scientist Judea Pearl. The ability to explain and reason about what we know is the hallmark of intelligence. Inference time scaling is a powerful step in that journey. Don't forget to connect with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. Subscribe to AI with Shaily for your weekly dose of AI news and insights. And drop your perspectives in the comments. I read them all and love the conversations we build. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, when it comes to AI, sometimes it pays to think slow and think smart. Until next time.